In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add metadata in Obsidian to organize and categorize your notes effectively. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. Start by launching Obsidian on your device and opening the vault where you want to add metadata. Metadata lives at the top of each note in what's called the Properties section, and it uses YAML frontmatter behind the scenes to store extra information like tags, dates, and statuses. Open an existing note or create a new one for practice, then look at the very top of the note content. You'll see the Properties area waiting for you to add fields. Click the Add Property button, and you'll see some available property options, but you can also create a custom property. Type a name like status, project, or author, then press Enter to create it. Now click the value field beside that property and enter the appropriate information. For example, if your property is author, you might type your name. If you need tags, create a property called tags and enter one or more tags separated by commas. For dates, create a property like created or due date and click into the value field to open a handy calendar picker. For a status property, type values such as draft, active, or completed. For a project property, you can link the note to a specific project or initiative by typing the project name. Once you've added a few properties, review all the values to ensure the information is accurate. If you want to see how the metadata looks behind the scenes, switch to source mode. This reveals the raw YAML frontmatter between dashes at the top of the note, and you can edit metadata directly there if you ever need to make quick changes. Don't forget to save the note when you're done. As you continue, add multiple properties relevant to your workflow and try to create a consistent structure across your notes. For daily notes, use metadata to track dates, priorities, and statuses to keep your day organized. For project notes, store project owners, deadlines, and progress to improve project management. For knowledge management, categorize research notes and reference materials with custom properties so you can filter and find information easily. Use Obsidian's search features to locate notes based on specific property values and standardize your property names across similar notes to create a consistent vault structure. And that's how you add metadata in Obsidian. By adding properties to your important notes, you build a structured note system that improves organization, searching, filtering, and long-term note management. Thanks for watching, and happy note-taking.